This is my 1956 Ford Victoria.
Built this 82 Firebird into a sort of a poor man's Ferrari.
My name's Bob. This is my 63 Chevy Impala SS. I've owned it for 38 years. It's a 327, 300 horse. When I bought the car, it was the original Texas car with about 50,000 miles, original miles. I spent 2 years restoring it. It didn't need any body work of any kind. I stripped the paint and repainted it. It has a lot of unusual rear features on the car. From the documentation, the wire wheels are Kelsey Hayes. They were ordered on the car. They were originally made for 1,500 sets, made for the split window coupe 63 Corvettes. And the dealer that ordered this car, he ordered those wheels. It's a 300 horse, 327. It has factory air, factory cruise control, power brakes, air conditioning, trunk opener, rear bumper guards, front bumper guards. The car is just a real joy to drive and to own. We've had a lot of fun with it over the years. My wife, my family grew up with it. I enjoyed going to car shows and cruise nights. I'm retired now, so I have a little more time to play around with the cars. I meet a lot of interesting people, and I just enjoy talking to them.
Is this your one and only Joy, or do you have others?
I have 58 Olds, 98 I'm working on now. I just finished the motor and transmission, and I have put body back together, but it's original paint and everything on it. It's a really nice car. I'm getting a little interior work done.
And speaking of paint, this car, the lines are so straight and the color is so deep and true. You want to talk about that?
It is a black car, and you really have to have a straight body or every imperfection shows up. And this car was really straight, but I did a lot of block sanding and everything. Took a lot of time painting it, and it paid off. The first show I put it in was a national late grade Chevy show in Dayton, Ohio in 1983. And it was featured on 1982, I'm sorry, in Dayton, Ohio. And it came out on the cover of Late Grade Chevy magazine in January of '83, the 20th anniversary of 63 Chevys, they said, and they had pictures of the car, and that really made me pretty proud. It was the first time it was photographed.
Talk about the interior.
The interior has bucket seats, factory tack. That's all the super sport equipment. It's a power glide, floor shift. It has the center console and full carpeting, AM/FM radio, which was real rare back then. And
looks newer than new, doesn't it?
Yeah, thank you. It does. I keep it polished up and that, and it's a garage queen.
And the lining is superior. Wow. I imagine to wax this thing takes a year.
Really not all that long. It doesn't. Yeah, with the new waxes they have, it's pretty easy to do. Thanks for watching. It's been a pleasure.
Please enjoy the next video.